Hi guys, it's me, Ursula Thomas, and welcome to my channel. All of my old subbies that been down with me, know I got much love for you. And all of my new subbies, y'all, it's November. It's November. It's November, Thriftember, November, Thriftember. Got to give it to you. I got to give it to you. I'm not sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. Not sorry. I got to give it to you. It's a new month. Y'all ready? All of my old subbies that been down with me, and all of my new subbies that have come and joined me. Y'all, it's early. I love you. It's early in the morning. Early in the morning. Okay, it's early in the morning. And I just left the gym about 30 minutes ago. Y'all, I'm still sleepy-dee-dee. But I just wanted to pop on right quick. Y'all know by now that my channel is all about thrifting. Y'all know that. Y'all know that I'm a thrifting gal. I like to thrift. Thrifting is dangerous too. It can be addicting, honey, because it's almost like you get to you be like, I ain't thrifting during the week no more. You get the itching and scratching. Your mind be like, wonder what I can find. Wonder what's there. Honey, you get something be going on with you. Anywho, I'm shaking it. Shake the devil. Okay, anyway. So today what I want to do is, and I know this ain't whatever, because y'all know I'm all about thrifting, all about saving money, being trendy, all about showing you how to shop out of season, all that good stuff. Body positivity, my body positivity, when I say it, I'm just saying, love where you are till you get where you going. Just love yourself. Learn to love yourself now. Don't put a standard on it. When I get here, when I do this, when my teeth get like this. No, right now. And then y'all know, it's about life. So this is part of my life, and I'm enjoying throwing a little bit of this life in there. So what I want to do is, I want to bring y'all a smoothie this morning. I did want to do an anti-inflammatory smoothie / anti-arthritis smoothie, but I didn't get the recipe down. So I said, hey, I'm just going to show the one of mine that I throw up. Honey, I am a creator. I would create some stuff. You heard me. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys the smoothie that I did yesterday, then the smoothie that I'm doing today. And this is a good alternative for them sausage sandwiches. Because all that processed meat, honey, that ain't good. That will flame you up. But anyway, so let's talk. So yesterday, I'll tell you how I did it. Yesterday, this is what I made yesterday. When I say yesterday, this is what I'm talking about. I already had the ingredients in it. It's just a little old. This ain't no Vitamix. This ain't no Ninja. This is just $30 cheap thing I got going on. But this is what I do. I have it already set up in here. So when I get up in the morning, when I come from the gym, all I got to do is pop it, blend it, and be ready for breakfast, honey. But this is one I had prepared yesterday. Now, in this one yesterday, I had... Let me think. I put some lemon in here. When I said lemon, honey, I clean it, put a hole in it, just cut it, slice me a piece in here. I put lemon in here. I put ginger in here. I put avocado in here. I put flaxseed in here. This is my flaxseed. I always get the big thing of flaxseed. I get this from Walmart. I was out of chia seed, so I didn't put none of that in here, but I normally put that in here. Also, I put kale in here. No, not this one. This one, no kale. I put spinach in here. Then I put pineapple chunk, red grapes and green grapes, 1 banana and 1 apple, and blend it up in honey. Oh, and then I had some leftover aloe vera. You have to be careful with the aloe vera juice because it's sweet. And I don't like that sweetness, so I put... for just a little extra, because really fruit is sweet enough. I put a little juice in, mix it with water. Dilute it, baby, dilute it. But yes, honey, and it is so good, and it's breakfast, and it will fill you up. But then I drink that, then I drink a gallon of water, Try to get your water in you. But this one I got ready for in the morning, so I want to show you this one. And this one, I got lemon. I got a whole avocado. I got ginger. Let me show you my ginger. And I just cut a piece off, cut 2 chunks off, put it in there. I got ginger. I got red grapes. See the red grape? I got green grape. I got kale. I got spinach. Because you need them dog leafy vegetables, honey. And then you can see the avocado right there. part of it. I want this one to be more berries, so I got blackberries and blueberries in here. In the morning, I'm gonna probably put some pineapple chunks on top. I'm probably gonna put a little of that pomegranate juice in here. I wish I had. I ain't been able to find my whole pomegranate. Honey, I love pomegranate. That's good. That's pomegranate good. But so I'm probably gonna put a little pomegranate juice in here. It's not 100%. That's what I be doing. That 100%. Keep that sugar out, honey. But anyway. So that's what I got in here. So in the morning I do that, add some water. I might add some ice if I want it cooler. Honey, stick it on that blender and blend it up and have it ready. So I mean, that's nothing spectacular, but that's just something I wanted to share with you guys. It's a good alternative. It's a good breakfast alternative. You already have it up, especially like if you busy in the morning and whatever. Honey, I already have it up while you getting ready, put makeup on, slash it on. Blah, 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 blah. Let it blend up. When you get through running, put you in a little cup, honey. Go on out the door with your breakfast in your hand, and you ain't got to give nobody your $2, $3, $4. Them $2, $3, $4, $2, $3, $4 add up and they ain't good for you. Them $2, $3, $4, $4. So you already have it. All right, so I just wanted to share that with you guys for just in case for the ones that might be interested. I know it's not everybody just everybody ain't trying to do everything. Everybody got everything, whatever they got going on. But this is what I got going on right now in my life, and I'm all for it, honey, because if you can't stay healthy, how you gonna thrift? I need my bones, the activities, my limb. I need to be strong. Y'all did some soup. I should have shared with y'all yesterday. I've been cooking with bone broth instead of like regular chicken broth or beef broth. I'm cooking with chicken bone broth. Honey, my daughter was like, Mama, this soup. This soup is it. I said, thank you, honey. So anyway, that's all I want. I want to just do a little quick video, just kind of keep y'all abreast on what I'm doing. Honey, I'm in this thing. I'm in it to win it. I'm in it to win it, and so are you, because we are winners. We are not losers, baby. We are winners, and we gonna win because we winners. And with all that being said, I love you guys. Have a great day. It's Friday. I don't know what I'm going to do today, but I'm going to do something today. You heard me? So anyway, it's going to be something fantastical. Like just showering and getting out the house. Yeah. Okay, with that being said, I love you guys. Have a blessed, wonderful day. And you know you was born to be the solution, honey. It's Friday. Be the solution. Y'all, I've been up so early. Y'all can tell. Y'all don't know, but when I be like a little sleepy, I get to rambling. And see, I've been up. We got it today at 3:15 a.m. 3:15 in the a.m. So, yeah. Your girl in the shower. And I might take a nap. All right. Love you guys. Bye. Be the solution. Mwah.